Hi all, another group of new releases come in, so we'll show you through them. First off, and probably the one that most people have been waiting to see, this is the new Zvezda Hercules C130. This is an all new tool, it's not a copy of anybody's or thing. It comes with all these markings, however, the supplier here in Australia has added an Australian set of markings to it as well, so that just adds to the overall kit. Very, very nice. The reviews have been very good. And this is not the only version of the C130 series they're going to do. I've already seen information that they're going to do a J and even a stretched J, apparently. So we shall see. But so if you're looking for a new Herc, this is the one to do. I was saying from Revell, we've got the Tornado again. This is from RS Models. This was released a while back, then deleted, but they've come back with it. The beauty of this is, if you're doing an F4, that's the Australian one. So you can do the markings for an Aussie one, A55-1, and if you sort of fiddle around with it, I believe there are a couple of other decal sheets out there that you can get to do these silver ones. Going further across, this is from Takom. These have just come in. Just move that out of the way for a minute. This is from Takom. This is the M46 pattern, but this is a limited edition one because it comes with the Jeep as well. So you get two kits in one. So if you've already got the pattern but not the Jeep, you can always use a second pattern or go from there, so that's pretty cool. Also from Takom, you got the Berg Panzer 2A or 2A2. This has also just come in. This is quite nice. This is based on the M88 or something or other, so you can go on from there. So if you're doing the development of that series. From Das Werk, we've got another version of their Fawn L900. This is the hardtop version, so that's just come in as well. Again, if you've built the earlier one, you know what you're going to get from this. It's just the hardtop and a couple of other bits and pieces, a few other changes in it. From Eduard, this is a P40E in 72nd scale. This is based on a famous scene and a famous Polish pilot, I believe. So they've released a special kit with his markings only in it. Just there, so that's pretty cool. Now Airfix, we have got the new Spitfire 5C. This has just come in. This is the one with the filter. It's the C wing. It doesn't come with Aussie markings, but I believe it's going to. But it's going to be in the starter set for some reason. So the Aussie one will be in the starter set series. But look, there's so many markings out there for the 5C now. Extra Decals also just done another sheet. DK Decals, I believe, is going to be doing a sheet as well of Aussie 5C. So if you're looking for a 5C, they're in stock now. Very, very nice. Little couple of funny things, but if you know the kit, you'll already know what the couple of things you've got to fix up on it. But other than that, it's the first true 5C that we've had. From another group from AA Models, that's the Yak 23DC, the two-seater trainer. One of their first very early jets. If you're into drones and type aircraft like that, that's a P1HH Hammerhead. This is the German one, I believe. This is a development aircraft, twin engine, high intensity, and also from AA, we've got their version of the 48 scale GB Racer. Now there has been a 48 scale GB Racer from Dora Wings, and that's the 1933 version, I believe. This is the 1934 version, which I think was a bit longer, and a few other bits and pieces. So this is the R2. So if you're sort of doing a family of the racer aircraft, this is another one you can add to the pile of racers. So other than that, have a great day. I will talk to you all again, and have fun. See you later on.